fashion friends, have you ever wondered if you have a specific body type? Or maybe a better question is, do you know what it is? In working with women, I find the number one thing that ruins any outfit is not creating the entire outfit so that it works with their body type. They may have the right pieces, but they aren't sure how to put them together in order to have the best look. And that's because they don't know the unique formula for dressing their individual body type. So today, we are going to take one holiday essential and we are going to create a stunning holiday outfit for each body type, and we're gonna do it in real time. So if you know your body type, you're totally in luck. I'm gonna walk you through how to style it from head to toe so that you have a holiday outfit designed just for you. And if you're not sure about your body type, I've got you covered. I've actually included a free body type calculator in the description, and all you need to do is add 3 measurements and you'll find out. So grab your pen and paper, maybe your cup of cocoa or hot tea, whatever, and get ready to take some notes because we are going to create the perfect holiday outfit for each body type. Let's do it! Hey everybody, it's Kelly Snyder from Adore Your Wardrobe, and if this is your first time here, I just want to say welcome. I am so glad that you are watching this episode. For the past 8 years, I've been running an online fashion education program called Adore Your Wardrobe, and in that time, I have helped thousands of women demystify fashion by teaching them how to dress their unique body types using formulas that are based in math and science. And today's episode is a treat because I'm going to share some of the theories that I teach inside of my program, and I'm going to apply it in real time to build complete holiday outfits for each body type. But, before we get into the styling, I really do want to dive into just a bit of background about body types and how dressing for yours can make such a big difference in your confidence and your style. Okay, so understanding your body type is one of the biggest keys to building a wardrobe that you really adore. So each body type has a formula for creating balance. Essentially what we're doing is tricking the eye into seeing an hourglass where there isn't one naturally. And when you understand which cuts and colors, shoes and accessories bring out your best, you'll have a wardrobe full of clothes that you actually want to wear, and you're gonna have fun putting outfits together too. So at Adore Your Wardrobe, we teach 5 body types. We teach apple, carrot, curvy, pear, and straight. And if you're interested in learning more about body types, including how to measure yours, I have a more detailed video linked in the description. It's right there. Okay, but for today, we are going to focus on holiday outfits, and we're going to begin with the apple body type. Okay, so if you have an apple body type, your natural shape is going to be more full in the middle. So your goal when you style outfits is to fill out the top and the bottom part of your hourglass in order to look balanced. For our featured item, I've chosen a silver sequin bomber jacket from The Loft. Okay, so sequins are timeless for the holidays, but this bomber jacket takes them in a more casual direction, which makes it a super versatile piece. Plus, the silver color actually helps to pull attention away from your midsection. And bomber jackets are awesome for apples because it gives you room in your midsection. And honestly, a bomber feels a lot more elevated than just a normal cardigan sweater layer. Okay, but for the base layer, I went with a deep teal velvet top. So velvet is a must-have for the holidays, and this dark color with the soft fabric adds a bit of texture while still keeping the attention away from the midsection. Next, a pair of on-trend either wide leg or boot cut gray jeans works perfectly here. And then, to keep it festive, I added these silver Mary Janes. These Mary Janes tie in the sparkly from the jacket, and it creates a cohesive look that draws the attention up and down rather than focusing in the middle. And then for a polished finish, I selected a coordinating velvet handbag, rhinestone drop earrings, and a green glass necklace. These small details bring in the holiday shine and add a bit of sophistication. Overall, this look is ideal for any holiday event, whether that be lunch with friends or a night out or even a casual holiday gathering. And the best part is that each piece can be mixed and matched to create even more outfits with your wardrobe staples. All right, our next outfit is for our carrot body types. So if you have a carrot body type, your hourglass is fuller on top. You'll want to create balance by defining your midpoint and then adding volume and visual interest to your lower half. For our feature item, we went big, my friends, and we picked these gold-coated denim jeans. All right, so coated jeans are super trendy this season, especially in festive colors like gold and copper and silver. And the shine really draws the attention downward, helping to fill out the bottom half of your hourglass. Now, if coated denim just feels like a little bit too much for you, feel free to swap this out with a non-coated jeans and maybe a silver or gold metallic thread. Okay, so for up top, I decided to add this classic red tartan sleeveless top and this red cardigan sweater. I love this. This color palette feels so festive, and the little bits of yellow in the tartan plaid complement the gold pants for a really seamless look. Next, we added red sparkly flats to help tie the whole look together by matching that sweater and the tartan top. Once again, kind of creating that cohesive and polished feel. And then finally, for accessories, we finished strong. We added golden sparkly earrings, a gold necklace, handbag, and bracelet. Each of these items adds some holiday shine without overwhelming the outfit. And each accessory can actually be mixed into other outfits to add that hint of holiday shine. So this outfit is perfect for holiday dinners, family gatherings, and more. And again, what's great is that with this outfit, all of these pieces can actually stand alone to elevate a simple look. So again, it makes this style versatile enough to wear throughout the season and still achieve your body type's goals. All right, moving right along with the curvy body type outfit. So a curvy body type has a naturally balanced hourglass shape. So the focus here is to maintain those proportions without necessarily overloading one area. For the featured item, this cropped Highland green velveteen blazer is a fantastic choice. Blazers can sometimes feel bulky or be too long on a curvy shape, but this crop style prevents it from overpowering the silhouette. I chose a gold dot blouse to go underneath. The gold dots add a bit of shine and dimension that's perfect for the holidays. Next, we added on-trend black-coated denim jeans that add a subtle sheen and matches the holiday mood without taking focus away from the beautiful green blazer. Plus, I love when we can bring in pieces that you can wear later on. So these jeans are going to be easy to wear long after the holidays are over. Finally, I finished the look with these gorgeous sequin block heels, a green velvet clutch, and then jewelry with a bit of shine. Seriously, look at this green. It is so pretty. These green stoned earrings, bracelet, and necklace add elegance and visual interest without drawing attention away from the overall look. This outfit is balanced and it keeps the eye moving with the velvet and the gold shine and the greenstone jewelry and the coated denim and the sequin shoes. And that movement is exactly what a curvy wants when they create their outfits. This outfit is going to be great for a girls' night out, a date night, dinner with friends, or even a church service. And again, like the other outfits, many of these items can be worn in other ways outside of the holidays for an even better cost per wear. All right, next up is our Pear body type outfit. Okay, for Pear body types, which actually happens to be the most popular body type, their goal is to fill the upper half of their hourglass to create balance with their already fuller bottom. For our featured item, we went with classic black velvet pants that have pin tuck details. I gotta tell you, I love a good pin tuck. I do, because I think it just elevates an ordinary pant to something extraordinary. And the velvet are timeless and help ground the look, keeping the bottom half super sleek. Next, I added this soft embellished sweater with minimal sequins. So it adds a bit of texture to the outfit without really going overboard. And the sequins, they create just that subtle sparkle, right? And they keep the upper body visually interesting. Okay, you may be at the point of this outfit thinking, okay, girl, this is kind of just a little ho-hum, but I want you to wait because check out these accessories. They are so amazing. So we added a velvet ballet flat with a sparkly bow to enhance the festive vibe, plus a black and white beaded handbag, bow earrings, and a crystal stud necklace. These small details bring a bit of personality and fun to the outfit, while the cohesive color palette of kind of the black and white keeps the eye moving. Really, this takes a simple outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. And this would be perfect for family dinners or holiday parties or even casual gatherings. This outfit is all about balance with just the hint of glam. All right, last but not least, my friends, is the straight body type. And I am actually a straight body type. And straight body types have an hourglass that is full on top and on bottom. And we need help defining our midpoint in order to look balanced. For our featured item, we picked this sequin top with silver and gray sparkles. I love this top. It's a t-shirt style, which allows it to be festive, but at the same time, really versatile. It's gonna be super easy to dress up or down and is gonna look great with dress pants or jeans. Next, we added a faux fur cropped jacket. Okay, so the addition of the jacket really helps to bring attention to the midsection, which is this body type's goal. And when we bring attention to the midsection, it creates that subtle hourglass that we're looking for. Plus, the faux fur is a great topper to wear when it's cold outside, and it completes any holiday outfit in a way, honestly, that our regular wool coat just never ever could. Next, I'm gonna pair it with coated bootcut denim jeans in the color of the season, which is burgundy. These coated jeans add that festive color and shine, but it doesn't overpower the top. We matched the burgundy and black tones in the outfits with these quilted flats that have chain detailing. Because the colors of the shoes match the jacket and the pants, they provide interest to the outfit without taking away from the body type's goal. And then finally, we finished the look with a silver handbag, silver bracelet, and multi-colored earrings that mimic the outfit's color and sparkle. This outfit, my friends, is perfect for a holiday date night, a New Year's Eve party, or any other dressy occasion where you want to stand out just a little bit, but you want to feel balanced and still put together. All right, there you have it. We have built 5 holiday outfits customized for each body type, and we did it in real time. Each one brings together styles and colors and textures and accessories to create a look that makes you feel polished and confident. Remember, friends, fashion is not about buying more stuff. It's about having the right stuff and knowing how to style it for your body type. If you want some more outfit ideas and tips, make sure to download our free holiday fashion guide. The link is in the description below. It's going to include our body type calculator, extra styling tips, and all the items I showed today broken down by body type. All you gotta do is click the link in the description, give us your first name and email address, and we'll send it directly to your inbox. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I cannot wait to help you create even more looks for the holiday. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it either a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button for more fashion tips. All right, everybody, happy holidays. Take care. God bless. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.